Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Bail. Bail means temporary release of accused person awaiting trial. For example, he has been released on bail. He has been released on bail. Synonyms: surety, security, collateral.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. Pull the bail arm toward the front of the printer. Now, repeat after me. Pull the bail arm toward the front of the printer. The second exempli. The girl is charged with manslaughter and is on bail awaiting trial. Now, repeat after me. The girl is charged with manslaughter and is on bail awaiting trial. The third exempli. The appellants were released on bail having spent approximately 7 months in custody. Now, repeat after me. The appellants were released on bail having spent approximately 7 months in custody.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
More English words begin with the letter S than with any other letter.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.